Hi, my name is Sydney Clymer-Engelhart. It is January 24th, 2023. And before the midterm, I wanted to talk about one of the organ systems that I had learned during the first half of this semester, more specifically the endocrine system. So those professions who typically work around the endocrine system are called endocrinologists. More specifically, those who pertain to completing surgeries about the endocrine system are just called endocrine surgeons. Mostly these surgeries can be done by general surgeons, but some of them have to be done by endocrine surgeons. In terms of placement of a specific organ, I'm going to be talking about the pancreas. It is inferior to the thoracic diaphragm. It is posterior to the stomach and anterior to the vertebral column or the vertebrae. Some important landmarks of the pancreas is that it is divided into 4 different parts. Most medial to the body is the head, and from going there distally or laterally, so it goes the head, the neck, the body, and the tail. The head can be divided into 2 different subdivisions, the head proper and the unicate process. Some specific locations, some descriptions about the location is that the pancreas can be about 6 to 10 inches long. It's surrounded by the small intestine, the liver, and the spleen. And it kind of looks like a flattened shaped pear that just kind of lies across the abdomen. Certain functions that pertain to the pancreas, which I found very interesting, is that the pancreas is also considered a gland, both an exocrine and endocrine gland. As an exocrine gland, it secretes many different enzymes and substances such as trypsin, chymotrypsin, lipase, and amylase to break down different carbohydrates, fats, and proteins that can be emptied into the duodenum in the small intestine to get rid of those substances that are not needed in the body anymore. As an endocrine gland, the pancreas is made up of cells called pancreatic isolates. More specifically, it is made up of 2 important cells, alpha cells and beta cells. Alpha cells produce glycogen, which then, not glycogen, glucagon. The alpha cells secrete glucagon to increase blood glucose levels in the blood, and beta cells secrete insulin to decrease blood sugars. They kind of work hand in hand. As one increases, the other will decrease. And so they have a partnership that works well. If there's an increased known blood sugar, insulin will be released. If there's a known low blood sugar, then glucagon will be released. Yes, thank you for listening to my video about the endocrine system and specifically the pancreas.